You are watching Rogue News. Embark with us on a journey through the vibrant fields of Jalisco, where the essence of a spirit comes to life under the warm sun. Amidst a landscape painted with the blue of agave, the soul of tequila is nurtured. Rooted in centuries of tradition, the blue agave stands, embodying patience, awaiting the perfect moment of maturity. It's then that the jimadores, with generations of wisdom and sharp coes, step in. They expertly select the finest agave at the pinnacle of its sugar content, a crucial step that begins the transformation of plant into a liquid rich with culture, history, and flavor. The maturity of the agave is pivotal, ensuring the complexity and depth cherished in tequila. As we explore the journey from agave to bottle, we honor the dedication of the jimadores and the patience fostering the initial steps in tequila's creation. Moving forward, the melding of tradition and science unfolds, setting the stage for the intriguing process of fermentation. Progressing further into the tequila crafting saga, we arrive at a crucial chapter. The transformation begins. The harvested agave, known as the piña, endures the heat, softening within traditional stone ovens or modern autoclaves. This process uncovers the agave's rich sugars, ready for fermentation. Guided by the master tequilero, yeast transforms these sugars into alcohol, breathing life into tequila's soul. This natural fermentation craft, balancing time and temperature, infuses subtle flavors, defining the spirit's essence. As we transition from the warmth of fermentation, we approach the pursuit of purity through distillation. Here, traditional mastery converges with innovation, embodying the heart of tequila. The journey deepens as we explore distillation, where clarity and spirit begin to manifest. In the distillation room, the spirit's journey approaches a defining moment. Distillation, the art at the craft's core, separates alcohol from water, capturing the agave spirit in its purest form. Through meticulous heating, the fermented liquid ascends as vapor, then condenses, enriched with a higher alcohol concentration. This repeated process ensures the signature purity and essence of tequila. The fusion of science and tradition during distillation underscores the craft, preparing the spirit for its next transformative phase, aging. Here, a blend of time and tradition will enhance the tequila, leading us into a realm where flavors and complexities mature into a harmonious symphony. Within the quiet aging rooms, time collaborates with tradition to enrich tequila's character. Oak barrels, selected for their ability to impart distinct flavors, serve as the vessel for maturation. This process is not just a chronological passage, but an artisanal craft, where barrel variety meticulously shapes the spirit's flavor, color, and aroma. Through aging, tequila evolves, gaining complexity and depth. Whether it's the vanilla hints of American oak or the spicy notes of French oak, each barrel contributes uniquely to the final product. As we appreciate the silent alchemy within the barrels, we understand that patience is more than a virtue in tequila making. It's essential. The aging process pays homage to the agave spirit, elevating it to an exceptional level, setting the stage for its final journey. Reaching the zenith of our journey, from Jalisco to the world, reveals the transition from creation to consumption. The precision of the bottling line melds the hum of machinery with artisanal care, each bottle encapsulating centuries of tradition. Yet, before embarking on a global voyage, each bottle undergoes stringent quality control, ensuring perfection reaches your glass and preserving the integrity of its flavors and aromas. From Jalisco, these bottles traverse continents, embodying the soul of Mexico, the essence of craftsmanship, and a snippet of history. As they reach distant lands, they forge a connection among cultures, celebrating a spirit beyond borders. This final step, before reaching the connoisseur's hands, invites a savored appreciation for Mexico's rich history and vibrant spirit in every sip, reminding us that each bottle is a journey, connecting Jalisco with the world.
You are watching Rogue News. We are AI-driven news for real people.